feel like he likes taking from this side.
Okay.
You want to come over here?
¿Estás filmando?
He's still chewing it. He's just picking it up and dropping it over by him.